Whether you're setting up a new Sonos speaker or experiencing an issue, it's important to know if you need to reboot or reset to resolve the problem. Resetting a device may seem like the go-to fix, but you risk the chance of losing all of your data. While both rebooting and resetting Sonos speakers are straightforward processes, some steps vary depending on the device. Hi, I'm Jacob Palmer from Best Reviews, and today we're showing you how to correctly reboot and reset your Sonos Era 300. And if you want to see more helpful how-to content like this, make sure you subscribe below. It's the best way to make sure that we're able to continue doing our mission of helping people get the most out of their products and ultimately save money in the long run. To set up the Sonos Era 300 and other Sonos devices, you have to download the Sonos app on iOS or Android. The process is often quick and easy. However, a common issue can pop up and stall the process. If the Sonos app can't locate the device, first, check that it is plugged in, powered on, and that the status light on the front of your speaker is flashing green. If the light isn't green, it means the device was set up on another system, and this requires a factory reset, which wipes all of your data from the speaker. So it should never be the first option when troubleshooting. Many Sonos users have recently had issues with the Sonos app redesign in May 2024, which initially didn't have all of the features previously available on the app. While the Era 300 is versatile in its connectivity, users still run into issues. When it comes to connectivity issues, a factory reset is never recommended. To do a hard reset or factory reset, first, unplug the device from the outlet. Second, hold down the Bluetooth button on the back of the speaker as you simultaneously plug it back in. Third, keep pressing the Bluetooth button until the small light on the front of the speaker starts flashing orange and white. And finally, when it's fully reset, you'll see the light flash green. If you plan to sell or give your speaker to someone else after you've already set it up, you will need to perform a hard factory reset to transfer ownership of the speaker. Another common issue Sonos users may run into is if your speaker is missing from the Sonos app or the Apple AirPlay 2 menu. This is likely due to an interrupted connection with your Wi-Fi network or in the event that your speaker is powered off. Your first step is to check that the speaker is still plugged into a working outlet. If the powered on speaker still isn't showing up on the app, your next step is to reboot the device. A soft reboot is basically the old turn it off, turn it back on method. First, unplug your device from the outlet, wait 10 seconds, and when you plug it back in, the speaker will power up. If a soft reboot and other troubleshooting tips haven't worked, contact Sonos support before doing a factory reset. The information that would be erased could help them determine the issue. We all know technology can be a real pain sometimes, especially when it's not working properly. Follow our tips to save yourself the headache of accidentally wiping everything off of your Sonos Era 300 speaker. Once again, I'm Jacob Palmer from Best Reviews. Make sure you hit that notification bell below because we're going to be putting out all different kinds of review and how-to content that we're sure you'll love. If you've got questions for us, comment those below. And if you want to buy your Sonos speaker, we've got links for that below as well.